What's the meaning of cascade? Cascade. Cascade.
Cascade. Cascade. Cascade refers to a series of things, usually events or processes, that unfold in a particular sequence. It implies a chain reaction, where each event triggers the next until the entire process is completed. The result of a cascade can vary widely depending on the particular context, but it often involves a significant transformation or alteration of the system undergoing the cascade. These changes can be positive or negative, but they are typically profound and far-reaching in their effects. In short, cascade describes a domino effect that often has a transformative impact on the subject at hand.